Wax residue from a removed toilet needs prompt, methodical handling to prevent stains and ensure a clean flange for the new installation. Start by wearing nitrile gloves and eye protection to avoid contact with contaminated material and cleaner sprays. Use thick paper towels to blot and lift as much of the sticky wax ring material as possible without smearing it over a wider area. Fold towels frequently so you always work with a clean surface. For stubborn remnants, use a 5-in-1 tool or a flat putty knife held at a low angle to gently scrape the wax from the flange, bolts, and surrounding subfloor, applying steady, even pressure to avoid gouging wood or composite floors. Collect the scraped wax on fresh paper towels or a disposable plastic scraper and place the waste into a sealable heavy-duty bag to contain odors and grease. After bulk removal, apply a solvent safe for the floor surface, such as mineral spirits on vinyl or cement alcohol on porcelain, and wipe with clean rags until no residue transfers. Then neutralize with warm, soapy water and dry thoroughly. Always test solvents in an inconspicuous spot first. Finally, inspect the flange and bolt holes for any remaining wax. Sand any small, sticky bits on wood subfloors with fine grit sandpaper, and let the area fully cure and dry before setting a new wax ring or alternative seal. The three most common mistakes are spreading the wax by rubbing instead of blotting, damaging the flange or subfloor with aggressive scraping, and disposing of wax debris in open trash where it can leak or attract pests. If you start by smearing, stop and switch to folding paper towels and pulling up the material to contain it. To avoid structural damage, keep scraping movements shallow and parallel to the surface and switch to sanding only for small residual patches on wood, not on metal or composite flange parts. For disposal, double bag the waste and seal it tightly, then place it in regular refuse or follow local construction waste rules so it does not create mess in vehicles or bins. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for tasks like toilet replacement and subfloor repair, and also helps contractors connect with nearby work opportunities. We host a discussion community where homeowners and pros trade tips, recommend products, and troubleshoot site cleanliness and installation techniques together.